Next we put normal red pieces, an entire row, 27 red pieces. Next we put another red row, 27 pieces. We change the direction. Complete the entire row. Next we put a third normal red row, 27 pieces. Next we put an entire white row, normal white row like this. Next we make a 3D origami face, 2D face, and for this first we will connect white pieces like this, 2 pieces in the first row, 1 above, then we put 1 piece in this edge and another one on the other side, and above we put 2 pieces like this. Then we put 1 piece in this edge, 1 here, like this. Now we have 4 white pieces in the last row. We put 3 pieces above, and then we increase again. 1 piece here and another one on the other side. Then we put 4 pieces above, and again we increase with 1 piece on this edge and with another piece in this edge, on this edge like this. Now we have 6 pieces, white pieces in the last row, and we push a little bit like this. This is the beard of our Santa. Now we put here on the middle one magenta piece, a dark pink, then we put one white here and another one on the other side, and then we put one inverted cream, or you can use pink, and another cream inverted piece on the other side like this. And then we increase with one white piece on this edge and another one piece white piece on the other edge here. Next we put two white pieces above the normal white pieces, above the magenta one. Then we put two inverted cream piece here and another two inverted cream here. Then we increase with one white piece on this edge and with another white piece on this edge here. Next we put one red piece here on the middle, this is the nose. Then we put two inverted cream pieces here and then one white. Repeat on the other side, two inverted cream pieces and then one normal white, and we have one free edge here and another one there. Now we put 6 inverted cream pieces like this, and then here we put one white piece in these two edges, and we repeat here these two white edges in one normal piece like this. Next we put one white here, normal white piece. Then we put again 5 inverted cream pieces. And another normal white piece here. Next we put one inverted cream piece here, then one inverted blue, 2 inverted cream pieces, then again one inverted blue, the blue piece are the eyes, and the last inverted cream from this row, and then we put one white piece in this normal white piece in this edge, and we repeat on the other side. Next we put one normal white piece here, then 5 inverted cream piece here above the eyes. Try to push the pieces with the same force, especially here where we have the eyes. We try to have the dimension equal, and here we put one normal white piece in this. Next we put one white normal piece here, then we put 4 inverted cream pieces, and then another normal white piece here. Next we put one white piece here, then one inverted cream, one normal white piece here, and then the last inverted cream piece, and now a white normal piece. Now we put all these 3 edges in one piece, in 2 pockets like this. We decrease the number of pieces, and we repeat on the other side these 3 edges. Next we put 6 normal white pieces like this. Next we put in total 7 red pieces. We put 1 piece in these 2 edges here, then 5 normal red pieces, and then again these 2 edges another piece like this. Next we put 6 red pieces, then next row 5, then 4, next row 3 pieces, like this. Next we put 2 white pieces and then 1 like this. Next we make the arms. Next for the arms we glue first 3 black pieces like this, then we put 2 white in this way and another white here. And now we put red pieces in the same way, 2 red and then 1, and alternate. We repeat this until we have 13 red pieces here. We have only 3, 1, 2, 3. We repeat until we have 13. Do not forget to glue. And the last one. Do not forget to glue, I repeat. Now, on the opposite side from this yellow part here, we put, let's see, 2 inverted pieces and 3 inverted pieces. Now we glue these 2 together like this. This is the basket. And now for the arms we give a curved line like this. We will put them here like this. First we will glue them together like this. This is a glue who dry very fast, and I put some Now we put again some glue. And we wait a couple of minutes for the glue to dry. And again we will put here in the same way glue. And wait a little bit for the glue to dry. Now we glue these two together. We put this here like this. I put this one here, but first we put some glue. And we wait for a little bit for the glue to dry. Now the model is finished. I hope you enjoy it. And I make this model for this. I will put candy. Very nice, like this. And this is my 3D Origami Santa Claus Basket finish. I hope you enjoy it, and have a nice winter holidays. Merry Christmas everyone.